Artificial intelligence is currently projected to inject $7.9 trillion of extra value into the global economy every single year. That is a massive volume of capital moving into the system all at once. You might assume that this new wealth is locked away, flowing exclusively to massive tech conglomerates, software developers, and data scientists. But the integration of AI and automation into our daily lives is accelerating much faster than the internet boom of the 1990s or the rollout of social media in the 2000s. Because the technology is spreading so rapidly, the wealth has to be distributed to everyday people who act as intermediaries. The largest payouts go to individuals bridging the gap between the software and the market, not just the engineers writing the code. This adoption data from 2026 shows 56% of American businesses use some form of AI, while a critical 44% haven't touched it. Those business owners are terrified of falling behind, but completely lack the technical literacy to implement these free tools. We can call this the efficiency gap. It represents millions of local commercial operations that are bleeding hours of manual labor every week and desperately need an immediate fix. When you combine that high level of commercial anxiety with a total lack of technical skill, you get a highly lucrative environment. Anyone with a basic knowledge of AI can step into that void and charge a premium to solve the problem. If we look at this logic model, it illustrates a concept called AI arbitrage. You take a free digital tool and apply it to a business where the saved time is worth thousands of dollars to the owner. This strategy requires zero coding or software engineering skills. The financial value is generated entirely by the act of moving utility across the bridge to a high-need buyer. To pull this off, you only need to know slightly more about these tools than the average local business owner. Right now, that technical bar is incredibly low. Executing this strategy means you are actively participating in a macroeconomic wealth transfer. You are positioning yourself to capture a fraction of that extra economic value, rather than just grinding out an hourly freelance gig. This visualization compares corporate spending structures. A few years ago, a mid-sized company might spend $500,000 annually on a manual customer service team. Today, that cash-heavy block is being replaced by AI agents that handle up to 90% of those requests for a fraction of the cost. We can scale that exact corporate logic down to your town. Local, small-scale businesses have the same core problem of wasting cash on manual labor hours. Let's look at the math. If you automate just 5 hours of manual work every week for 5 local businesses, they will happily pay you a $1,000 monthly retainer. That is $5,000 a month, or $60,000 a year. You don't need massive scale or hundreds of clients to make this work. Mastering basic efficiency translates directly into a high-ticket, invisible income stream. And if you have no desire to start an independent consulting agency, this arbitrage mechanic works just as effectively inside a traditional 9-to-5 job. You can use a process called skill stacking. You take your average job skills, like basic graphic design or data analysis or customer support, and you layer AI automation over them. The data shows that workers who employ this method finish their tasks 40% faster and with measurably higher quality. By running this arbitrage internally, you stop functioning as an average employee. You turn yourself into a highly paid, highly efficient asset that the company simply cannot afford to lose. This timeline maps out a crucial caveat to this strategy. The high-paying AI arbitrage window is completely temporary, and based on current projections, it will close by 2030. Over the course of this 4-year window, basic AI utilization will normalize in the workforce. It will transition from a premium skill that commands high retainers into a standard minimum wage requirement. Small businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for simple automation right now, solely because of a temporary technical illiteracy in the market. Because the value of basic AI knowledge is decaying over time as adoption spreads, taking immediate action to secure your position is mathematically mandatory. We have seen this specific economic timeline before. During the internet boom of the 1990s, immense wealth was generated by people who understood early networking before it became a standard business practice. We saw the exact same pattern during the rapid social media and mobile wave of the 2000s. These transition windows open and close incredibly fast. The ultimate financial winners in those eras were rarely tech geniuses. They were simply regular people who recognized a macroeconomic shift and took action, while the rest of the market was hesitating. Here is your actionable blueprint. Dedicate exactly 30 minutes a night, 5 nights a week, to learning how to operate these free artificial intelligence tools. You have a short window. You can dedicate the time now to exploit this knowledge gap, or you can sit on the sidelines and be completely swallowed by it.